Hey everyone, welcome back to Mountaintop Tiny Homes. So last time we talked, we were showing you, demonstrating our handrails for the back of the tiny house, and we were getting ready to take them apart and go have them painted and ready to install. Well, we've got them back. As you can see, we've got them all nicely painted and looking really nice and ready to install. So I'm gonna get them installed and kind of get everything ready, and then we'll kind of let everybody see what the finished product looks like. All right, everyone, here we are. We got them all installed and hooked up and ready to go. So now it's time for the big reveal. If you can get ready. And that's what we got. You see, we got a little decoration that we put on there. You know, we got one here. It says "Home Sweet Home." But turned out really nice. You know, you can kind of see what we got. Getting up on the deck. And we're anxious because we'll be in Colorado again at the Colorado Tiny House Festival in near Denver. So we're looking forward to that. So anybody that might have seen us out there last couple years, come out and check out our new tiny house we've got. And this is the rear one. We'll have a sign over here that says "Welcome." So we hadn't put it on. We're gonna get a clear coat on it to keep it protected. And but those are the new handrails, all painted up and looking pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed.